Okay, so first I'm going to check the fuel system. Checking the fuel pump fuse here. It's not lighting. You see the one beside it is lighting. So that means even though I've got the ignition on, the fuel pump is not getting power to this fuse. So you can look on the back of the fuse cover to see where it is. Now I'm just going to replace the fuse with a new one. Sometimes it also helps to reseat the fuse. So that didn't work. So now I'm going to try replacing the fuel pump relay. You can see, lift up a plastic cover, and you can see it's this green one on the left. Just going to replace that with one I already have. And again, sometimes it helps to reseat it. So that didn't work either. So now I'm going to check the relay connections. You see there's 2 hots and 2 grounds. So I'm checking the power to the control side and the fuel pump side, and they're both getting power. So now I'm going to check the grounds with the continuity tester. So switch my multimeter to continuity, and I'm going to see if it's continuous with ground. So I've got ground on the fuel pump side, but on the DME side, the control side, I'm not getting ground. So now I'm going to check to make sure the wire is good between the DME and the ground here. So I just simply connect, I had to unplug the DME and plug this into port number 1, which is the fuel pump control. So the computer is not choosing to ground. So I'm just going to replace the DME relay, and I'm going to put a brand new fuel pump relay in. So that didn't work either. So now I'm going to see if the fuel pump is actually working. So what I'll do for that is take off the PVC pipe, and I will, behind it is the fuel rail line, and I'll unscrew that and put it into this bottle. And I'm going to manually jump the fuel pump. Now to do that, I use a fuse jumper, and I just connect 30 and 87 on the fuel pump side of the relay. So you can see that worked. So there's nothing wrong with the fuel pump side. So I'm going to switch my focus to the control side, the DME side. I'm going to start changing sensors out. First sensor is obviously a targeted crankshaft sensor. Now I'm not getting any codes, whereas last time I had to change this, I got a crankshaft sensor code. This time I'm not, but I'm just going to replace it anyway. And it's only got 30,000 miles on it, this one I just replaced. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. So it's simply a sensor that slips in, and then a single Torx bolt to hold it on. Now on the other side, there's the electrical connector. You have to remove your alternator duct and your air box, and you can see the electrical connector that it goes into, and just plugs right in. All right, that worked. Crankshaft position sensor. Back on the road again. Crankshaft position sensor.